Hello and welcome to Gurukul. You will see how to create multiple branches and how to add mid-admins and sub-admins in this video. This is the first screen that you're going to see after institute registration. This page consists of all the branches your institute is going to have. This is the main branch that you have created during registration. You can operate many operations in each branch like creating courses, subjects, adding videos, adding PDFs, assigning teachers and many more. If your institute has multiple branches at multiple places, you can add and operate all the branches from here. To add a new branch, click on this button, Add Branch at the bottom right of the screen. You will see a pop-up. Enter your branch name. Enter Gmail ID of sub-admin. When you enter a Gmail ID, you're actually assigning the power and control of the overall branch to this person. If you are in a school, generally the headmaster of the school is the sub-admin. If you are at any other educational institute, manager of the branch is the sub-admin. If you are the only person who controls everything, enter your Gmail ID. Now, enter address of the branch that you are creating. Again, enter UPI address of this branch, where all the payments and fees regarding the branch will be submitted. Again, enter a branch code. This branch code is decided and assigned by you. Hit Add Branch button. Now, your branch has successfully been created and you can see it here on the main page. Each tile indicates a separate branch. You can see branch code, branch name and branch address in this tile. Now, one more advantage Gurukul provides is you can create number of branches here without any charges. Now we'll talk about one additional feature about Gurukul. Mid-admin. Who is mid-admin? If you are the one of the largest institute, you are having a structured organized team. Thus, you must have assigned a dedicated person to look out many branches. This person is called mid-admin here. Press mid-admin button at the bottom left. You will see the list of all the mid-admins of your institute. As currently, no mid-admins are there, so the list is empty. Now, press Add Mid-admin button at the bottom. You will see a pop-up. Fill up all the details. And assign branches to this person. You have successfully created mid-admin, and again you can create n number of mid-admins over here. Now, whenever an assigned person, that is mid-admin, will sign in through Gurukul application, he will see a list of all the branches assigned to him. He has control to add, manipulate everything in his assigned branches. He can also add more branches in his domain. Thank you. If you have any queries, contact support@gurukul.co.